Hi friends, this is Merly and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. This video is an update on our hanging basket cucumbers. We are in greenhouse number 1 where we transferred our hanging basket cucumbers. We have 10 baskets and as we can see, we have lots of flowers, lots of little cucumbers right here. So this is just one of them, and I have trimmed plenty of leaves already. So leaves that are damaged, leaves that are old, I usually trim them. I keep the plants looking nice, and also I want to make sure that there's enough airflow since we are inside a greenhouse. So here is one of the cucumbers that we have, and with temperatures from 70s to like low 80s, it's really nice in here, especially that we are in a protected area and the cucumbers are loving it. And also I have just finished feeding our hanging basket cucumbers. Today I fed them with 1 cup of Master Blend solution. Here, okay, let's move in here. It's a little bit tight in this area. So we have 3 hang baskets in this area, and then here, and I created a trellis system using tomato twine, so they're in here, and then I use this tomato vine clips to clip the vines of the cucumbers so they will not they'll not fall over, or they will not just be hanging in the baskets. Now whenever I see like something like this, we're just going to remove that. Here is another bigger cucumber that we have, and a lot more cucumbers. You might be wondering how we are getting these cucumbers when we don't really see any bees in here, and the answer to that is this variety of cucumbers do not need bees for pollination. This is a hybrid variety which is especially made for greenhouses, and they are self-pollinating. So yeah, they will just make fruit without the bees. Here's another one. I think my only issue in here is we have one basket that has a lot of ants. So I'm still trying to figure out how to treat this. And of all the hang baskets that we have, the ants are only liking this one. Just this one. This is really crazy. I don't know. It's unbelievable. Here we have more of our cucumbers and more fruit. And then we have some more fruit in here. So yeah, overall, these cucumbers are actually looking good. I'm not saying they're not the best looking cucumbers, but they are okay. And I mean, end of May and having cucumbers that are almost ready for harvest, that's really a great thing in my area, and I am in zone 7A, Kentucky. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Hope you are having a great time in your garden. Have a great day and happy gardening.